So the Residence Challenge attempts to show all the students in the dorms that it's really easy to save energy. So starting in an individual's room, they have all their appliances plugged in. So their computer, their coffee maker, microwave, refrigerator, lamps, etc. So basically starting with your laptop, the best way to save energy would be to shut it down at night and to use energy saving mode when you're throughout the day. And then moving to all your other appliances, it might be off and on that you're even using them, but when they're still plugged in, even if they're off, they're still using energy. So to curb that energy impact, you can use a power strip. So once you plug everything into the power strip at night, you can turn that power strip off and you completely cut off any energy that you'd be sucking out of the wall if you didn't use the power strip. And then moving from the individual to sort of the entire floor, the entire building, there's definitely been a trend to sort of act more communally, and so using one refrigerator or one television instead of each individual using all their individual appliances in each room.
Overall, I was disappointed with the amount of students that we got to participate in the Energy Conservation Challenge. I think that some people did participate, but I think it was a low percentage, and I think in the future we need to devise a system, a reward system, that is tangible and gives students motivation to drive towards the goal better than the Cedar Point tickets, which only a small percentage of the dorm actually gets to do.
Here in Leipzig, Germany, the situation looks quite different to that in America. Unlike in Athens, Ohio, there is no Residence Challenge program here in Leipzig. The main reason for this is that the University of Leipzig has no central campus like Ohio University in Athens. Most students live in private accommodation, and therefore it will be impossible for the university to monitor how much energy each student uses.
Another reason why there is no Residence Challenge in Leipzig is because students in dorms pay a flat rate for their heating costs. It doesn't matter if they have the heating on and the windows open or if they never use the heating at all. They pay the same price each month.
But even if there is no Residence Challenge in Leipzig, the university and the city are doing a great deal to improve their energy efficiency. In the last 20 years, the university has renovated student accommodation to make it more energy efficient. Measures they have taken include refitting dorms with the latest energy-saving heating technology, better insulating the walls and windows, installing daylight and temperature-sensitive switches to ensure no energy is wasted.
But these measures are just the beginning.
There are many ways that the university is trying to save energy. Working together with the German energy agency, the DENA, some of the university residences are taking part in a nationwide program to save energy. This program involves monitoring and comparing the energy usage between different university residences across Germany. So far, this cooperation has already led to a 10 to 11% reduction on energy bills here in Leipzig. Following on from this, the University of Leipzig Student Services website now offers energy saving tips and has an online energy meter, allowing students to measure their individual energy usage to the nearest quarter of an hour. Since last year, the university has employed an environmental tutor whose role it is to help increase energy awareness on campus. This has led to students studying a range of energy-related topics at both the university and the neighboring Leipzig University of Applied Science. The university is also currently investing in solar technology as a means of becoming more energy efficient. These units would work alongside the current heating systems to give the residents a better carbon footprint.
The city of Leipzig is also deeply conscious of its energy efficiency. Since the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989, Leipzig has seen a huge demographic shift, with some areas, particularly to the east of the city, becoming far less populated than in the past. This has been a big problem for the city utilities company, who were supplying heating to empty or half-empty apartment blocks. This led to the implementation of the Sunrise in the East project.
The project Sunrise in the East, an energy concept for East Leipzig, is part of a nationwide project to evaluate demographic change and its effect on urban planning. The goals of the project are to optimize inefficient energy usage arising as a result of demographic change and to educate people on how best to cut back on their energy consumption when living in a more sparsely populated area. The optimization focused on energy consumption for heating within the household, since this is where the most energy is used. One of the main causes of wasted energy is old or badly renovated housing. To help solve this problem, new concepts were created to encourage different ways of saving energy. For example, renters and landlords are encouraged to invest in new windows, ventilation systems, and isolation. Furthermore, to invest in renewable energy technology.
Germany has a strong reputation for its use of renewable energy technology and for its energy-saving measures. Perhaps the use of more energy-efficient building materials, such as thicker insulation and renewable energy sources, would help American universities like Ohio University to lower their energy costs even further. On the other hand, competitions like the Residence Challenge in Athens, Ohio, may also be productive in Leipzig. At present, students living in the university accommodation in Leipzig have little incentive to save energy. A program such as the Residence Challenge would increase energy awareness whilst lowering energy bills for the university. The University of Leipzig has told us that they are very interested in the Residence Challenge program and will consider introducing such a system in the future if possible.